Hey everyone, if you want to host Google Meet like a pro in 2026, whether it's business meetings, online classes, or team calls, this video is for you. I'll show you a complete step-by-step guide. First, open Google Meet and start a new meeting with a clean setup. Close unnecessary tabs and make sure your internet is stable. Next, generate your meeting link and share it only with the right participants. I mean, this helps keep your meeting organized and secure. Now test your camera and microphone before starting. Clear audio and video make you look more professional instantly. After that, start your meeting on time and manage entry through the waiting room. I mean, you can approve or deny participants as the host. Next, use Present Now to share your screen. This is perfect for presentations, reports, or training sessions. Now use tools like chat, captions, and mute controls. I mean, this keeps your meeting structured and professional. After that, manage participants by muting background noise or removing distractions. This helps maintain focus during the meeting. Finally, record important meetings if needed. I mean, this is useful for documentation, training, or future reference. So yeah, that's how you host Google Meet like a pro in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll be able to run professional meetings confidently. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more productivity tutorials for fast guides.